Moringa Green Juice recipe for detox. Looking for a natural way to detox your body, boost your energy, and feel refreshed every morning? Then you've got to try this Moringa Green Juice recipe. And if you want an even more powerful daily boost, check out Moringa Magic Supplement. It's packed with the same nutrients and detox benefits in convenient capsules. Link in the description below. Alright, let's make this refreshing and powerful Moringa Green Juice that helps cleanse your system, support digestion, and flood your body with antioxidants. Ingredients you'll need: 1 cup of fresh spinach, half cup of cucumber slices, half green apple for a touch of sweetness, juice of 1 lemon, 1 teaspoon of moringa powder, or 1 Moringa Magic capsule opened into the mix, 1 cup of cold water or coconut water. Add all the ingredients into your blender. The spinach and cucumber provide hydration and fiber. The lemon boosts your vitamin C levels. And the moringa, that's the real superfood here. It's loaded with over 90 nutrients, 46 antioxidants, and helps flush toxins out of your body naturally. Blend until smooth. And there you have it, your Moringa Green Detox Juice. It's vibrant, healthy, and perfect for jumpstarting your day or resetting your system. Drink this in the morning on an empty stomach for the best detox results. And if you're short on time, you can still get the same benefits from Moringa Magic Supplement. It's 100% natural, easy to take, and helps support detox, digestion, and energy throughout the day. Check it out, link in the description below. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural health and detox tips. Stay healthy, stay energized, and keep your body glowing with Moringa Magic.